In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ruler in PowerPoint. Whether you're a seasoned PowerPoint pro or just getting started, using the ruler can greatly enhance your ability to create visually appealing and well-organized presentations. So let's dive in and explore this handy feature step by step. First things first, let's get PowerPoint up and running on your computer. The ruler feature is a native tool available in PowerPoint, so you'll need to have the application open to make use of it. Once you've got PowerPoint launched, the next step is to open your PowerPoint presentation. You can either create a new presentation or use an existing one that you're working on. Now that your presentation is open, let's turn our attention to the top of your PowerPoint window, where you'll find the View tab. Give that a click. The View tab is essentially your gateway to a variety of presentation tools that can help you customize your working view, including the ruler. Once you're on the View tab, you'll notice a series of options designed to enhance your viewing experience. Here, you want to focus on the option labeled Show. Within this section, you'll find a checkbox next to the word Ruler. Go ahead and check that box. The moment you do this, rulers will appear at the top and side of your PowerPoint workspace. These rulers are excellent visual aids for aligning the elements of your presentation consistently and with precision. The horizontal ruler helps you adjust the position of objects from left to right, while the vertical ruler allows you to manage top to bottom placement. You can easily click and drag markers along these rulers to align your text boxes, images, and other elements perfectly on your slides. This not only ensures that everything is neatly arranged, but also helps in maintaining uniformity across multiple slides. Using the ruler can be particularly beneficial when designing slides with intricate layouts or when you need precise pixel level control over placement. It can save you time and reduce the guesswork involved in aligning elements manually, giving your presentation a professional and polished look. That's it! You've just learned how to activate and use the ruler in PowerPoint. With this simple tool, you can make a significant difference in the layout and alignment of your slides, making them more engaging and easier for your audience to follow. Experiment with these steps and watch your presentations transform right before your eyes. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy presenting.